These 7 foods have a detrimental impact on your kidney health. As we navigate the intricate terrain of dietary choices, it becomes increasingly evident that our food selections can either nurture or jeopardize the well-being of our kidneys. The delicate equilibrium maintained by these bean-shaped organs is crucial for the overall health of our bodies. The kidneys not only filter waste and excess fluid, but also play a vital role in regulating blood pressure, balancing electrolytes, and contributing to the production of red blood cells. While genetics and lifestyle play significant roles in maintaining good kidney health, our dietary habits also wield influence over the well-being of these essential organs. In this presentation, we will explore the 7 common foods that may be undermining your kidney health without your awareness. High sodium foods. Sodium is an essential electrolyte for various bodily functions, including fluid balance, nerve impulse transmission, and muscle function. However, the prevalent consumption of processed and fast foods disrupts the balance necessary for optimal kidney health. Excessive sodium intake can lead to high blood pressure, a major risk factor for kidney disease. Processed foods and snacks, known for their high sodium content, contribute significantly to this silent danger. To mitigate the risks, a shift towards fresh whole foods such as fruits, vegetables, and whole grains is imperative. Seasoning with herbs and spices rather than relying on salt further supports a kidney-friendly diet. Caffeine and carbonated drinks. Caffeine, a natural stimulant found in coffee, tea, and energy drinks, is a subject of debate regarding kidney health. While moderate consumption has certain health benefits, excessive intake, especially through energy drinks, can lead to dehydration, threat to kidney function. Carbonated drinks, in addition to caffeine, often contain phosphoric acid, similar to that found in cola, posing an additional risk. Finding a balance through moderation, choosing drinks with lower caffeine content, and ensuring adequate water intake can help protect kidney function. High oxalate foods. High oxalate foods like spinach, beets, nuts, chocolate, tea, or berries contain elevated levels of oxalate, a natural compound found in many plant-based foods. While oxalate is not harmful for most people, it can pose a potential risk for individuals who are prone to forming certain types of kidney stones, known as calcium oxalate stones. Colas and dark sodas. Cola and dark sodas, popular for their effervescence and flavor, contain phosphoric acid, posing a significant threat to kidney health. This acidic compound, while providing the characteristic spicy sensation, has been linked to an increased risk of kidney stones and potential damage to kidney function. Additionally, the high sugar or artificial sweetener content in these drinks contributes to risks associated with obesity and type 2 diabetes. Opting for alternatives like water, herbal teas, or fresh juices reduces phosphoric acid intake and promotes essential hydration. Processed meats. Meat, a rich protein source, is a staple for many diets. But processed meats like sausages, deli meats, and bacon pose unique challenges to kidney health. Packed with salt and preservatives, these indulgences contribute to increased blood pressure, placing strain on the kidneys. The high protein content, while beneficial in moderation, can become problematic when consumed excessively. Opting for lean protein sources like fish, poultry, legumes, and plant-based alternatives addresses risks associated with processed meats and aligns with a heart and kidney healthy diet. Alcohol abuse. Consuming alcohol, a widespread social activity, can have serious effects on kidney health when done irresponsibly. Excessive alcohol abuse leads to dehydration, forcing the kidneys to work overtime to maintain water and electrolyte balance. Prolonged stress on the renal system can contribute to kidney disease and related complications. Limiting alcohol intake and ensuring adequate hydration are crucial steps to safeguard kidney well-being. High potassium foods. Potassium, essential for physiological processes like nerve transmission and muscle contraction, can become harmful when consumed excessively, especially for individuals with kidney problems. Fruits like bananas, oranges, and tomatoes, as well as vegetables like potatoes and spinach, are rich sources of potassium. While essential for a balanced diet, overeating these foods can lead to hyperkalemia, characterized by high potassium levels. Collaborating with healthcare professionals to tailor potassium intake to individual needs is crucial for those facing kidney health challenges. In conclusion, these highlighted foods are not necessarily to be avoided, but should be consumed in moderation, especially by individuals with pre-existing kidney problems. Adopting a kidney-friendly diet involves incorporating fresh whole foods, choosing lean protein sources, and monitoring nutrient intake to maintain a delicate balance. Consulting healthcare professionals or registered dietitians for personalized guidance ensures that food choices align with your kidney health needs. By taking proactive steps in our nutritional decisions, we can significantly contribute to preserving kidney health and overall well-being. If you found this information valuable, please like, subscribe, enable notifications, and share the video with friends and family. Thank you and have a great day.